Providing a welcoming space to discuss what's on your mind. The Gulf Coast Equality Council is inviting you to participate in an upcoming mental health fair. Joining me today with details, Council President Christiana Gassaway and Board Member Molly Kester. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, so tell us a little bit about this mental health fair coming up.
Well, last year we did a needs assessment with the LGBT community, and the overwhelming response was mental health care. So we decided we would kick it off with a mental health care fair to get the discussion going. This is Suicide Prevention Month. The event is on September 10th, which is actually International Suicide Prevention Day. So we feel mental health care is suicide prevention. So there's a stigma about mental health care that a lot of people don't seek, care. And then it's also hard for LGBT people to find practitioners that are accepting and affirming. So we're trying to get the conversation started between healthcare providers in the community and see where we can take it from there.
Yeah, for sure.
And mental health doesn't discriminate. It doesn't care about your socioeconomic income. It doesn't care about your skin color. It doesn't discriminate. It can affect anybody.
Yeah, I was going to ask you guys a little bit about the stigma with mental health. Why do you think there is such, concern with reaching out about it?
In the South, a lot of people, you're supposed to pull yourself up by your bootstraps, and all those kind of things. Everybody's supposed to be self-reliant. And being able to reach out and ask for help sometimes is kind of, you have to reassess yourself.
Right, yeah. So talk about the importance of people kind of coming out and doing away with that stigma and why it's important to focus on yourself.
Well, we need to make mental health care normal like any other kind of medical care. So it's important to get the conversation started between those that need it and those that provide it so that we can break down those barriers.
Yeah, talk about it.
Well, we have numerous providers coming to, keynote speakers, things such as that, to come and give the community some of the education that's out there and available to them.
Yeah, and you talked a little bit about LGBTQ healthcare being overlooked here in Mississippi. Talk about that a little bit, and why do you think it's important for us to focus on that a little bit more to the people that may not have that?
Well, a lot of people have, experienced discrimination in the medical health care, or they know someone, so there's a lot of issues with people seeking help. There's people that don't seek even medical care because they're afraid of how they're going to be treated. So we want to break down those, misconceptions and let people in Mississippi Coast know that there are providers that will accept you and affirm you because they're looking to, fix you up and fix your problems.
For sure. And we have a little bit of information that's going to pop up on your screen there in a second. If you want to get some information about this mental health fair by Gulf Coast Equality Council, you can head over to the public library over in Biloxi on September 10th from 6 to 8. And y'all are going to be having door prizes, stuff like that too?
Yeah,
yes.
Food, door prizes. We'll have some providers have tables, pass out information. We have 2 speakers, and then the providers will be also speaking. And if we have time, we'll do question and answers also.
Okay. All right. Great. Am I missing anything from you guys?
I think that's covered it.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.